In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to anchor in Elementor. If you're looking to create seamless navigation on your web page, anchors are an effective way to guide users quickly to different sections. Anchors, essentially, are links that transport users to a specific spot on a web page with just a click. This can greatly enhance the user experience on your site, making it not only user-friendly, but also intuitively organized. Let's dive into setting up anchors in Elementor. First, we begin by adding an anchor point. One straightforward way to achieve this is by utilizing the Menu Anchor widget available in Elementor. Start by opening your page in the Elementor editor. Over on the left, you will find a search bar. In that search bar, type in Menu Anchor, and you will see the widget appear. All you need to do is click and drag this widget to the section of your page where you would like to create an anchor point. Typically, you place this widget just above the section you want your users to jump to. It's important to give this anchor a unique ID. This identification is crucial because it defines the specific location your link will jump to on the page. When providing an ID, remember to use only letters, numbers, hyphens, or underscores. Avoid using the hashtag at this stage, as it is only used when setting up the links to these anchors. Once you have established your anchor point, the next step is linking to this anchor. You can achieve this by appending the designated ID to a hashtag, creating something like "Contact Us." This link can be applied in various places, whether it be a button, a segment of text, an image, or even a menu item. Simply enter this link to ensure that when a user clicks, they will be transported smoothly to the desired section. If you are looking to create menu navigation that utilizes these anchors, here's how you do it within WordPress. Begin by heading over to the Appearance section in the WordPress dashboard, then click on Menus. From here, you want to add a custom link. In the URL field, input the same hashtag link you used for your anchor, such as #ContactUs. Make sure to label it accordingly so you can easily identify your menu item. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to click Save Menu. These simple steps ensure that your users can effortlessly navigate to different parts of your web page, enhancing both the aesthetic appeal and functionality. Anchors serve as valuable tools in web design, especially when dealing with single-page websites or lengthy pages filled with rich content. By following this tutorial, you're well on your way to transforming the user experience on your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope your journey in web development continues to flourish with these newfound skills.